Hi, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today I will reveal to you some shocking news. Did you know that more than 20 million people in the United States may have some level of kidney disease, and many of them don't even know it? Kidney disease is a serious condition that can affect your heart, bones, immune system, and even your brain. It can also lead to kidney failure, which requires dialysis or a transplant to survive. But here's the shocking part: some of your everyday habits might be damaging your kidneys without you even realizing it. In this video, we're going to reveal 10 daily habits that can harm your kidneys and show you know how to stop them before it's too late. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Habit 1: not drinking enough water. Not drinking enough water is one of the most detrimental habits for kidney health. Water is essential for the kidneys to perform their crucial function of filtering waste products and excess fluids from the bloodstream. When you don't consume enough water, your kidneys cannot effectively flush out toxins, leading to a buildup of waste in the body. This accumulation can cause various health issues, including the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits of minerals and salts that form inside the kidneys. They occur when the urine becomes concentrated, allowing minerals to crystallize and stick together. Adequate hydration helps dilute the urine, reducing the risk of kidney stone formation by preventing these minerals from crystallizing. Furthermore, dehydration can lead to a decrease in blood volume, which in turn reduces the blood flow to the kidneys. This can impair their function and potentially lead to acute kidney injury. Chronic dehydration can contribute to long-term kidney damage, increasing the risk of chronic kidney disease. Water also plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of electrolytes in the body, such as sodium and potassium. These electrolytes are crucial for nerve and muscle function, including the muscles that control your heart. When you're dehydrated, the imbalance of electrolytes can put additional stress on the kidneys as they struggle to maintain the proper balance. Habit 2: overuse of painkillers. Overusing painkillers, especially nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen, aspirin, and naproxen, can severely damage your kidneys. These medications are commonly used to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and lower fever, but frequent or long-term use can lead to serious kidney problems. NSAIDs work by inhibiting the production of prostaglandins, compounds that play a crucial role in dilating blood vessels and maintaining blood flow to the kidneys. When prostaglandin production is reduced, the blood vessels constrict, leading to decreased blood flow to the kidneys. This reduction in blood flow can impair kidney function and cause acute kidney injury, AKI. In some cases, AKI can develop into chronic kidney disease if the kidneys are repeatedly exposed to these harmful conditions. Moreover, the overuse of painkillers can lead to a condition known as analgesic nephropathy, which is a chronic kidney disease caused by the long-term use of pain relief medications. This condition can result in interstitial nephritis, inflammation of the kidney's filtering structures, and papillary necrosis, death of kidney tissue. Symptoms of kidney damage from painkillers may not appear immediately, making it difficult to recognize the harm being done. Early signs can include decreased urine output, swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet, and fatigue. If you experience these symptoms and frequently use painkillers, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Habit 3: high salt intake. When you consume excessive amounts of salt, your body retains more water to dilute the sodium in your bloodstream. This increased blood volume raises blood pressure, putting extra strain on your blood vessels, including those in your kidneys. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. It damages the tiny blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter waste effectively. Over time, this can lead to chronic kidney disease, CKD, and, eventually, kidney failure if left unchecked. Moreover, a high-salt diet can exacerbate existing kidney conditions. For individuals with kidney disease, the kidneys are already struggling to balance fluids and electrolytes. Excessive sodium intake further complicates this balance, leading to fluid retention, swelling, edema, and worsening hypertension. This vicious cycle can accelerate the progression of kidney damage. Reducing salt intake is crucial for protecting your kidneys. The recommended daily sodium intake for most adults is less than 2,300 milligrams, roughly equivalent to 1 teaspoon of salt. For those with high blood pressure or kidney disease, limiting sodium intake to 1,500 milligrams per day is often advised. Reducing your salt intake is a simple yet powerful step toward preserving kidney function and preventing further damage. Habit 4: Eating too much meat. Eating too much meat, particularly red and processed meats, can have serious consequences for kidney health. While protein is an essential nutrient necessary for the body's repair and maintenance, excessive intake, especially from animal sources, can put a significant strain on your kidneys. When you consume high amounts of protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are then used for various bodily functions. However, this process produces waste products, such as urea and ammonia, that need to be filtered out of the bloodstream by the kidneys. A high-protein diet increases the workload on your kidneys, forcing them to work harder to eliminate these waste products. Over time, this increased demand can lead to decreased kidney function and an increased risk of developing chronic kidney disease. Moreover, red and processed meats are often high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can contribute to cardiovascular disease, another risk factor for kidney damage. Diets rich in animal protein can also lead to higher levels of uric acid, which can form crystals and cause kidney stones, adding further stress to the kidneys. For individuals already suffering from kidney disease, consuming excessive amounts of meat can exacerbate their condition. The kidneys are already compromised and struggling to maintain the balance of waste products and electrolytes in the body. High protein intake can accelerate the progression of kidney damage, leading to more severe health issues. To protect your kidneys, it's important to balance your protein intake. Incorporate plant-based protein sources, such as beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts, which are easier on the kidneys compared to animal proteins. Additionally, consider including more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet to ensure a more balanced intake of nutrients. Habit 5: Consuming too much sugar. When you consume excessive amounts of sugar, particularly from sugary drinks and processed foods, it can lead to elevated blood glucose levels. Over time, consistently high blood glucose can damage the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste effectively. Diabetes is one of the leading causes of kidney disease. In people with diabetes, the high blood sugar levels can cause the kidneys to overwork as they try to filter excess glucose from the blood. This excessive strain can lead to diabetic nephropathy, a condition where the kidney's filtering units, known as nephrons, are damaged. As nephron damage progresses, it can result in a decline in kidney function and eventually lead to kidney failure. Furthermore, high sugar consumption contributes to obesity, which is another risk factor for kidney disease. Excess body weight can lead to increased blood pressure and insulin resistance, both of which can negatively affect kidney function. High blood pressure, in particular, can cause damage to the blood vessels in the kidneys, further impairing their ability to filter blood effectively. Habit 6: Ignoring high blood pressure. When blood pressure is consistently high, it forces the blood vessels to stretch so blood can flow more easily. This stretching scars and weakens the blood vessels throughout the body, including those in the kidneys. Over time, this damage can lead to the hardening and narrowing of the arteries, reducing blood flow to the kidneys and impairing their function. This condition is known as nephrosclerosis, and it can progress to kidney failure if left untreated. High blood pressure also increases the risk of glomerulosclerosis, which is the scarring of the tiny blood vessels in the kidneys called glomeruli. These structures are essential for filtering waste and excess substances from the blood. Scarring reduces their ability to perform this crucial function, leading to the accumulation of waste products in the body. One of the most concerning aspects of high blood pressure is that it often goes unnoticed because it typically has no symptoms until significant damage has occurred. This is why hypertension is often referred to as the silent killer. Regular monitoring of blood pressure is essential to catch and manage high blood pressure early. Habit 7. Smoking. Smoking is a harmful habit that can have devastating effects on kidney health. The toxic chemicals in cigarettes, such as nicotine and tar, damage blood vessels and reduce blood flow to the kidneys. This decreased blood flow impairs the kidney's ability to filter waste and regulate the body's fluid and electrolyte balance, leading to chronic kidney disease and other renal complications. Nicotine, a key component of cigarettes, increases blood pressure and heart rate, putting additional strain on the kidneys. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a leading cause of kidney damage. It forces the kidneys to work harder, causing wear and tear on the delicate filtering units known as nephrons. Over time, this can lead to nephrosclerosis, a condition characterized by the hardening of the kidney arteries, which impairs kidney function and can eventually lead to kidney failure. Moreover, smoking exacerbates other risk factors for kidney disease, such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. For individuals with diabetes, smoking can accelerate the progression of diabetic nephropathy, a condition where high blood sugar levels damage the kidneys. Similarly, smoking contributes to atherosclerosis, the buildup of fatty deposits in the arteries, which can further restrict blood flow to the kidneys and exacerbate kidney damage. The harmful effects of smoking extend to increasing the risk of kidney cancer. Smokers are at a significantly higher risk of developing renal cell carcinoma, the most common type of kidney cancer. The carcinogens in tobacco smoke can cause mutations in kidney cells, leading to the development of cancerous tumors. Quitting smoking is one of the most effective steps you can take to protect your kidneys and improve overall health. Within weeks of quitting, blood circulation improves, and blood pressure begins to normalize, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Long-term cessation significantly lowers the risk of developing CKD, kidney cancer, and other related health issues. Habit 8. Excessive alcohol consumption. When alcohol is consumed in large quantities, it disrupts the balance of electrolytes in the body. This disruption can lead to abnormal levels of sodium, potassium, and other essential minerals, which can impair kidney function. Chronic dehydration caused by excessive drinking also means the kidneys must work harder to maintain the body's fluid balance, increasing the risk of long-term damage. Alcohol abuse is closely linked to high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney disease. High blood pressure damages the small blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter blood effectively. This damage can progress to nephrosclerosis, where the arteries in the kidneys harden and narrow, further impairing kidney function. Additionally, alcohol can cause liver disease, and the kidneys have to compensate for the liver's reduced ability to process toxins, adding extra strain. Moreover, excessive alcohol consumption increases the risk of developing conditions such as diabetes and obesity, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Alcoholic beverages are often high in calories and sugar, contributing to weight gain and poor blood sugar control, further exacerbating the risk of kidney damage. Habit 9. Not getting enough sleep. Not getting enough sleep is a detrimental habit that can have serious implications for kidney health. Sleep is essential for the body to perform vital restorative processes, and the kidneys are no exception. During sleep, the body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and processes waste, all of which are critical for maintaining optimal kidney function. Insufficient sleep disrupts these processes, leading to long-term health issues. One of the primary ways that inadequate sleep affects kidney health is through the regulation of blood pressure. During sleep, blood pressure naturally decreases, giving the cardiovascular system a chance to rest. When you don't get enough sleep, this natural dip in blood pressure is disrupted, leading to consistently higher blood pressure levels during the day. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease as it damages the blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste effectively. Furthermore, lack of sleep can lead to increased inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress can damage kidney tissues, leading to a decline in kidney function over time. Studies have shown that individuals who consistently get less than 6 hours of sleep per night are at a higher risk of developing chronic kidney disease compared to those who get adequate sleep. Insufficient sleep also affects the regulation of blood glucose levels. Poor sleep can lead to insulin resistance, which increases the risk of developing diabetes. Diabetes is a leading cause of kidney disease, as high blood sugar levels can damage the kidney's filtering units, called nephrons. By ensuring you get enough sleep, you can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes-related kidney damage. To improve sleep quality and support kidney health, establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath, to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid caffeine and electronic devices before bed, as they can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Habit 10. Ignoring symptoms. Early symptoms of kidney problems are often subtle and easy to overlook. These can include fatigue, changes in urination patterns, such as frequency, color, or presence of blood, swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet, persistent itching, and unexplained high blood pressure. Ignoring these signs allows kidney damage to continue unchecked, potentially leading to more severe symptoms like shortness of breath, persistent nausea, confusion, and muscle cramps as the kidneys lose their ability to filter toxins from the blood effectively. One of the most critical reasons to pay attention to early symptoms is the potential to slow or even halt the progression of kidney disease with timely intervention. Early detection allows for lifestyle changes, dietary modifications, and medical treatments that can significantly improve outcomes. For example, managing blood pressure, controlling blood sugar levels, reducing salt intake, and avoiding nephrotoxic medications can all help protect kidney function. Regular checkups and routine blood and urine tests are essential for monitoring kidney health, especially for individuals at higher risk, such as those with diabetes, hypertension, or a family history of kidney disease. These tests can detect early signs of kidney damage, such as elevated creatinine levels or the presence of protein in the urine, even before symptoms become apparent. If you experience any symptoms that might indicate kidney issues, it is crucial to seek medical advice promptly. Early intervention can prevent further damage, improve quality of life, and reduce the risk of serious complications. By paying attention to your body and seeking timely medical care, you can protect your kidneys from the harmful effects of neglecting symptoms and ensure better long-term health. By avoiding these 10 harmful habits and adopting healthier lifestyle choices, you can support your kidney function and prevent potential health issues. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please hit like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. And remember, your journey to better kidney health starts with the right choices. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.